Okay, students, we'll be moving on for a solution now. A cash in hand and cash at bank won't appear in these accounts. We have to do what? Profit and loss account, we have to open it for profession, and then we have to open what? Income and expenditure for household. Fine. So, profit and loss account, whatever comes with regards to profession, the loss will come on debit, with profession will come on credit. Okay, similarly goes with household, expenditure will come on to debit, and with household incomes, okay, will come on to credit. The first one is what? Consultation fees. Consultation fees is what? Your very important consultation fees is 75,000. This is professional income, professional receipt. Clear? So professional receipt will be a profit, so we have to write it over here: consultation fees. So consultation fees, no adjustment, so write it to the directly to the outer column. The next one is medicine sold. So he is gaining from that. So medicine sold is also a kind of a profit. So medicine sold, okay, so that is how much? 1,20,000. The next one is interest on private investment. Private, okay, so it is a private, so it will go in what? Income from household. Okay, so that is private investment we have to check with. So I'll just write it over here: interest on private investment. So that is how much? It will come down to 6,000 what they have given in the question. The next one is rent. Okay, rent is, we have an adjustment. There are two adjustment, and rent will come on both the sides. That is with your profession also and with regards to your household also. So rent, it is a kind of a loss or an expense. So it will come rent. I will be writing that rent 18,000 in the inner column because we have an adjustment. Then medicines purchased. Okay, we don't have any adjustments over here. So medicines purchased, so we have no adjustment, so we'll write directly to the outer column. So we'll just write it on the medicines purchase means what? Is a kind of expenses. Medicines purchased, so that is medicines purchase is how much? 75,000. The next one comes as motor car expenses. We have an adjustment for motor car expenses, so we have an adjustment, so we'll write it over here: motor car expenses. So motor car expenses is how much? 6,000. We have an adjustment, so in the inner column. The next one is telephone charges. So we have an adjustment for this also, that is 3,000. So telephone charges will be writing over here as well: telephone charges. So we have an adjustment, telephone charges 3,000. Now very important: rent, motor car expenses, telephone charges, we have to write where? In your expenditure of household also, because some part is distributed between household and some part is distributed in profession. So we'll write it over here also: rent, that is how much? 18,000. And then medicine purchase will not come over here, motor car expenses will come. So motor car expenses, so that is 6,000 in the inner column because we have an adjustment. Then next one is telephone charges, adjustment, so inner column. The next one comes as what? Salary and wages. We have an adjustment, so salary and wages will be writing over here: salary and wages. Okay, so that is 18,000. We have an adjustment, we'll write over here. Then comes over here also: salary and wages, so that is what? 18,000. The next one is life insurance premium. Life means what? On that person, on that medical practitioner, so it is his private expenses, so it will come in what now? Household. So very important, these are life insurance premium, no adjustment, 10,800. The next one is household marketing. So household is literally related to household itself, so it will come in income and expenditure. So household marketing is 15,000. The next one is guest entertainment. So guest is his private, so guest entertainment, so that will come where? 7,500. Then miscellaneous, they are telling what? Miscellaneous household expenses, So miscellaneous household expenses, that is what, 15,000. The next one is purchase of television. So purchase of television, okay, purchase of television will not appear. Why? Because it is a capital expenditure. It will not come. Actually, it comes into your household because capital expenditures will not come over here. It will come directly into the balance sheet. Clear? Any kind of television will be used for many years, and so for that reason it is a capital expenditure. So those all things will come on to what now? Your balance sheet. The next one is what? Cash in hand and cash at bank, which will not appear over here. It will appear directly into the balance sheet. Cash in hand and cash at bank. Okay. The next one is what? Stock of medicine on 31/3/2020 amounted to rupees 6,000. So closing stock will be related to his profession. So it will come over here. So stock of medicine. So that will be your 6,000. The next one, this one I am taking it. Okay. So stock of medicine. The next one is we have to go on distributing. Rent for the month of March 2020 was outstanding, was how much? 1,800. Outstanding in the sense we have to pay it. Are you getting it? We have to pay it. So we have to add it over here also. Add outstanding rent. So that is how much? 1,800. So it will come down to how much, Baba? Okay. So it will come down to 19,800. And over here also add outstanding. So 1,800. So it will come down to 19,800. Okay. So on both the sides we have to add it. The next one is electric charges amounting to rupees 1,800 and school fees of 3,000 were paid by Mrs. Ashok but had not been reimbursed to him. So electric charges, that is how much? 1,800. So electric charges will come on both the way. So that is electric charges will come into profession also and it will come into household also. Electric charges, that is what? 1,800. So here also we have to write it, electric charges. So we have to write in the inner column, that is what? 1,800. The next one is school fees. School fee is related to his household. So literally we have to write in the household. Okay. So school fees. So there is no adjustment. I'll write it over here itself. Okay. Students, school fees. So that is what? 3,000 because it is related to his household. The next one is important one. The following expenses were allocated in 1:3 ratio between profession and household. Means for profession it is 1 and for household it is 3. So rent we have to divide it first. So we'll just try to divide it. So less. Okay. So we have to less. That is expenses will be divided. So that rent is for what purpose now? It is for, one is for your what we call profession and 3 is for your household. So household we have to write, we can write either 1/4 or either we can write 3/4 also, no issues. So how much you have to divide it, I mean to say cut down it, it will be your, okay, it will be how much? 14,850. So we have to write in the outer column 4950. Sorry, 4950. So this is what? Only one part of 19,800 is one part is given to what? Profession, and 3/4 part is given to what now? Household. So similarly we have to do it over here also, that is 14,850. So we have to write it over here, less, okay, we have written over here as a household, we will write over here as a profession. Okay. So profession, how much will come down? We have to less 4950 over here and take the outer column how much? 14,850. You can calculate this. Okay, we will understand very nicely. We can calculate. Profession is 3/4. So 19,800 ka 3/4 is what? 19,800 ka 3/4 is what? 14,850. Clear with this? And for profession it is 1900 ka 1/4 is 4950. Similarly goes with the other things also. So first one we have taken it as what? Rent. Now motor car expenses. So motor car expenses will be also same, less. motor car expenses less. So how much will be that now? I will be writing over here as a household. Okay, so we can write it motor car expenses, that is 3/4. So 3/4 will be 4,500, 1,500. This is allocated to what? Your profession. Okay, and this 4,500 is allocated to what? Household. So less. Okay, so we have to less what over here? Profession. Profession में हमने कितना outer column को लिया है? 1,500. So we have to less that. So that will come down to how much? 4,500. 1,500 we have less it from profession. 4,500 will be allocated to household. Okay. The next one is your after motor car expenses, then comes as salary and wages. Salary and wages also same. Less household. Less household. Salary will be what? 3/4. So it will come down to 13,500. Okay, 4,500 will be only allocated to what? Profession. This 13,500 will be allocated to whom? It will be allocated to household. So that is what? Profession. 4,500 we have allocated, outer column 13,500. Clear? The next one is motor car expenses we have done. Okay, salary and wages we have done. Then comes telephone charges. Telephone charges is also similar way. So less that is for household, which will come down to telephone charges 2,250, that will come down to something 750. And then over here less profession. Profession में हमने कितना outer column को लिया है? Only the minus amount 750, that will come down to 2,250. Clear with this? Then after telephone charges, electric charges. Electric charges we have taken it directly from the outer column. So that is for profession we have to less. Sorry, I have to write it over here as a household. I am literally sorry. So household electric charges. So that is what? 1,350. That will come down to 450. And electric charges over here I have to write it as profession. You can solve it in different way also. Okay students, it is not hard and fast rule that we have to solve it in this way also, but allocate it properly. One is for your profession and third part of fourth is what? Your for household. Clear with this? Okay, we have taken almost the entire profit of from profession should be taken as a revenue of the household. So we have to, what we have to do it over here? We have to tally this. So we have to tally. So we have to make a total of it. We have to make a total of it. So total will come down to 2,01,000. So 2,01,000. From over here it comes actually. I am literally sorry again. So 2,01,000. So 2,01,000 minus these all things. Okay. So how much it will come down to? It will come down to 1,13,850. So that is called as what? To net profit transferred. Okay, to household. So this is very important, as what they have told us. They are telling us over here to transfer it to the household. I am sorry it is shaking it. Okay, please manage with this. So we have to transfer it and it will be coming as a profit. So profit and loss account transferred from profession. How much? 1,38,000. Sorry, 13,850. So we have to tally this also now. So 1,13,850, 1,13,850. So minus these all things, you will get 32,100 as the profit to excess income over expenditure. I'll be sending a screenshot, I mean to say a photo of problem also. Clear? So very important this problem is, which has appeared for 2 times. Thank you.